Welcome to this series where we'll learn some basic techniques and methods we'll use in our lessons. In this lesson, we'll learn about the wet on dry painting technique. See the description below for links to all the videos in this series. Wet on dry can be used on blank dry paper or on already applied dry paint. We'll start by painting a leaf on a dry white space. Let's dry the first layer and add some shading and texture to the leaf. Now dry again and add veins to the dried layer. Thanks for watching. I hope it helped you get the most out of painting with watercolor. To send me photos of your creations, email them to the address in the description. To be notified when there's a new lesson, be sure to subscribe, like, and tap the bell. Take care, stay safe, and see you soon.